Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your door lock, your door handle, your inside door handle on a Nissan Altima. This is a 2013 Altima, but it's basically the same for a lot of the Altima from 2010 to 2018. It's the same. We're gonna go ahead and take off the door panel. First, you're gonna need a pick like this, alright, to get in here. Get in there. I'm gonna use my right hand because I'm not doing the left hand. So you wanna use your pick to get in here and pull back on it, and that's gonna expose that right there. That's look like a 10mm. Also, you want to get this off too, so you get in there. So you want to get the pick, get in the edge and take this off. And this should lock, but you get the same pick. Lift that up. Take this out. Right here and take that off. Alright, subscribe already, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And this is the part number for the Nissan, as you can see, for the Nissan Altima door handle. So this is the part number right here. So I'm showing that to you guys because I know there's a lot of you guys like to ask for the part number. So now I'm going to start showing the part number in here. So this is the new one. Get it out the back. This is not my car. I know it's really dirty in this car. That's how the customer keep their car. Can't tell them how to keep their car, right? So this is the old one right here. As you can see, all that stuff is broken. This is the new one, and it's not broken in there. So hold them up side by side. Alright. So it's broken there. It's not broken here. And I know this is the right hand. I already did the driver's side. That's why I have this one. But I did the driver's side already. This is the right hand side. And I'm gonna remove this 10mm one right there, one right here, and one right there. Alright. And also you need to come down here at the bottom of the door, take out the light. Somebody already take out this light, so take out the light and unplug it. It just clip in, so you can just clip it out like that and unplug it. You squeeze right here and pull on it. Alright. That one fell on the outside. Alright, so you want to get all your 3 screws. So I want to get my finger between here, hold it and pull on it like that. Pull on it, work your way right around. Just pull on it and it will come up. Alright, so you want to lift the door to you and lift upwards. Alright. So I don't know if you can see it's broken right there. That's why you don't open the door, because it's broken. The lock part is still good, as you can see it moved, so that's still good. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip this up. since it's already out, clip this one out, bring it around, and lift it up through here, alright? Now to take out the door handle itself, you gotta take out these Phillips screws. We have one right here, and another one right here. Alright? Alright, so bear with me. I'm like standing up to show you on the camera, but you don't need to stand up. We have a clip right here. You can see right here, the one clip and another clip is down here. Alright? So you want to go up on the clip and push back on that. And that's it, guys. This is the old one. This is the new one. You can see it's like this. And this the new one, don't do that. The new one go back, snap back. The old one don't. So line it up. That's good. Now it's time for me to lock them back into place. So let me see if I can show it to you. We'll put the ball in first, swing it around. Same thing for this one. Alright. So make sure you run your wires, alright? You run your wires through here. Hook it at the top. Hook it over. Use the wire at the bottom. You want to run it in here. So you can connect back your light. That's good. You want to line up your tap it in. You want to get your 3 screws. Put them here. Put the short one right here. The long one right here. It's going to be 10 millimeter again. Get your window switch. Connect your window switch. Make sure it works. Alright, that's good. Put it until you hear it snap into place. Get this right here. That's good. Actually, it's better to put this like this and lock it in. So it's better to put this in first and then lock it in. Take it off to demonstrate. Alright. You can see right here, it goes under here, so it just goes like that. Have it smooth like butter. I'm gonna lower the window so I can test the handle from outside. Alright, so here we go. You see, now it's working. I can open it and the lock work as well. Thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Help me help you. See you next time.